Okay, negative binary recap. We'll do it both ways. Yeah. So, I'm going to start with, like we did before, we're going to start with, try and find a number, negative 66.
Yeah.
Okay? So, one way of doing it, go and talk to me.
One way of doing it, which is the inverted way. So first we have to know the actual way, right? Which is we do 32 128
So shall we do the step way?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll do this way, you do the other way.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so step one is what?
It's that first we have to find negative 66, like the normal.
So we're going to find positive 66.
Yes.
Yeah, so positive 66, so find positive. Okay, in this case 66. None of those.
One
of those.
0 0 0 0 1 0.
Good. 64 plus 2 is
66.
positive 66.
Yeah.
Step 2.
Inverted.
Good. Invert. Step 2. Invert. So
1.
let's recolour this.
So 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1.
Beautiful. And then step 3.
Plus 1. Add
Plus 1.
Add 1.
Add 1. So, have we got any space? I'm going to do this down here. So I've got 1 0
1 1 1 1 0 1
plus 1. 1 plus 1.
is equal to 2. So we have to write 0 there and then 1.
Carry the 1.
And then 1 1.
And then these are all the same.
1 1 0 1.
Okay. So that's one way of doing it.
Yeah.
Find the positive, 66, invert it, flip it,
Yeah.
add the 1. So we think that's the correct answer, but we're going to check it using the other way. I'll let you do that.
Yeah.
Okay? Have you got enough space there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So first we know that since this is 1, it should be a negative.
Okay.
128. So negative 128.
Yeah.
Then we do plus 32.
Okay.
Plus 64, then it will be under negative 66.
Okay.
Or 32.
What, do you want me to rub these out?
Yeah.
So, yeah, pop the flag in.
1 0 1. This would be 96.
Negative.
Then negative 96.
Okay.
And the 116, which is plus 16 equals negative 80. Then 1 8, which is negative 72.
Yeah.
Then plus 4, which is equal to 68.
Yeah.
And then 1 2, which is equal to negative 66.
Beautiful. So no ones. Fantastic. So explain this to me.
Since this is a 1,
Yeah.
it means that this number is a negative. If
Okay.
it is 0, it's going to be positive.
Fantastic. So we're only using a 7-bit register.
Yes.
This is just either going to be a 0 for a positive number or a 1 for a negative.
Yes.
Brilliant. Well done. Thank you very much indeed for that. Good. Negative binary.
Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.